As homeowners in Jennings look for ways to reduce their energy bills, window installation is an often overlooked solution that can have a significant impact on both comfort and cost savings. Many homeowners assume that adjusting thermostats or adding insulation is enough, but the truth is that the windows in your home are some of the most important elements when it comes to energy efficiency. Replacing old or inefficient windows with newer, more energy-efficient models can help control the temperature in your home, lower your heating and cooling costs, and enhance the overall comfort of your living space. Understanding the role of windows in energy efficiency. Windows are essential for natural light and ventilation, but they also play a big role in how your home interacts with the outdoor temperature. Traditional windows, particularly older models, often feature single-pane glass or outdated seals that allow heat to escape during the winter or allow cold air to enter during the summer. This loss of air is one of the main contributors to high energy bills, as it forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Newer, energy-efficient windows are designed with better insulation features that help minimize heat loss or gain, improving the energy efficiency of your home. These windows often come with double or triple glazing, special coatings, and enhanced framing materials that provide a stronger barrier against the outdoor elements. As a result, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, which can lead to substantial savings on your energy bills over time. Energy savings. How much can you save? The exact savings you can expect from new window installation in Jennings depends on several factors, including the size of your home, the type of windows you're replacing, and the climate conditions in the area. However, studies show that replacing single-pane windows with double or triple-pane windows can cut heating and cooling costs by as much as 25%. In places like Jennings, where the weather can fluctuate between hot summers and cold winters, the potential for savings is significant. For example, if your current energy bills amount to $200 per month, you could save $50 or more each month after installing energy-efficient windows. Over the course of a year, that adds up to hundreds of dollars, and over the lifetime of your windows, typically 20 to 30 years, that could total thousands in savings. These figures demonstrate just how impactful window installation can be when it comes to reducing your home's energy consumption. Other benefits of energy-efficient windows. In addition to the financial savings, installing new windows offers several other benefits that contribute to the overall quality of your home. Improved comfort. By reducing drafts and temperature fluctuations, energy-efficient windows help maintain a more consistent indoor temperature. This means no more cold spots in winter or hot zones in summer, creating a more comfortable living environment year-round. Increased home value. Homes with updated windows often see an increase in property value. Potential buyers are drawn to homes that are energy efficient and equipped with modern, high-performance windows, as they are seen as more sustainable and cost-effective in the long term. Noise reduction. Energy-efficient windows are also better at reducing outside noise. If your home is located near a busy road or noisy area, new windows can help create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, improving your quality of life. UV protection. Many energy-efficient windows come with UV blocking coatings that help protect your furniture, flooring, and artwork from the harmful effects of the sun's rays. This added protection can prevent fading and discoloration, extending the lifespan of your interior furnishings. Choosing the right windows for your home. When it comes to selecting the right windows for your Jennings home, it's important to consider factors such as the material, style, and energy ratings of the windows. Vinyl, fiberglass, and wood are all popular materials for energy-efficient windows, with vinyl and fiberglass offering the best insulation properties. Be sure to choose windows that are ENERGY STAR rated, as these products meet strict energy efficiency standards and are likely to provide the best return on investment. It's also essential to work with a professional window installation company that understands the specific climate and energy efficiency needs of homes in Jennings. Proper installation is just as important as the windows themselves, as even the best windows won't perform optimally if they're not installed correctly. Conclusion: window installation in Jennings is an investment that pays off in multiple ways. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, homeowners can significantly reduce their heating and cooling costs, improve indoor comfort, and boost the value of their home. Whether you're looking to save money, enhance your home's curb appeal, or reduce your carbon footprint, replacing old windows with new, energy-efficient ones is one of the most effective steps you can take to improve the energy efficiency of your home.